And listen, today was a good day. So basically, I had somebody work for me or work with me. I guess you could say both. God know from my church. I know his character, good guy, hard worker. But I just know he the kind of guy that, wouldn't mind making some extra money on the side. And so reached out to him and just said, hey, meet me at 9 o'clock, gave him an address. And so showed up on time, which I was grateful. And I basically just gave him, a few things to do. Just, hey, man, I want you to just make sure the hose is not being kinked up, being caught on bushes and bricks. Told him to film, I wanted some footage just for social media and to take some pictures. And then also just the post street, so I had some concrete work, driveway, sidewalk, and a patio. And so as I cleaned that, he was coming behind me to post street. And there was a couple other things I had him do. And man, it actually worked out good. Like the job was actually enjoyable. So I didn't really have to repeat myself at all. Like he was on it. I mean, he was going above and beyond. And then it was almost like a mishap, not on my end, which I thought it was. So basically, I was about halfway done with the job and the homeowner come out. He said, hey, are y'all using the power? Because my power went out in a portion of my house. And so, that's the last thing you want to hear. And so I looked at him, the guy that was working with me. I'm like, hey, I'm pretty sure, I wasn't on that side. Any electrical stuff, I did my best to, what's up? My son.
Daddy wanna get in trouble.
Okay, hold on. I'm recording a video. I'm almost done, okay?
Okay.
All right. So something happened with the power, and I did my best, when I was washing to avoid, anything that can go wrong. So the homeowner, I knew him, and so he wasn't freaking out. So we just trying to investigate. So the guy that I was with, super loud. So the guy I was with, he actually got like an electrical maintenance type background. So he knew exactly what it was. And so I thought it was my fault, but it really wasn't. Coming to find out, when we was wrapping up, the reset button, on the socket, he had to touch the reset button. So he came out and told us, and I was relieved. But overall, man, I was grateful because I realized today was one step, towards a long-term goal of scaling, like having people work for me. So the business can work for me and I don't have to be inside the business all the time. And so I ain't the best delegator, you know what I mean? But at the same time, you get the right people, you communicate well, you coach, you correct when necessary, you can make it work. And I felt, I felt the sense of, fulfillment, because I was able to help somebody, get them some extra money as well. So yeah, y'all, just checking in. Good day. It's still picking up. Business is going well. I'm grateful. God opened up doors. He looking out for me, and just getting better and better and better. And so just want to check in with y'all. Till next time, take care.